Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvetlox with a wonderful video for you today. Now if you're trying to lose weight, now I know it's the summer and not everybody is on a weight loss journey right about now, but just keep in mind summer is almost over. So you're going to be looking into these videos really soon, but I got them on hand and on deck for you so that when the time comes you can come over and check them out because they're going to work for you. You heard? Now I'm going to show you 18 wonderful fat burning teas that's going to slim you down, and you don't even really have to do a lot in your diet and still eat the things that you enjoy eating. Okay, this is like a hack, and it's so simple because a lot of times when we're trying to lose the weight, the first thing that we usually have to do is change the way we eat, okay, exercise, and lower our calories. But if you want to know how you can actually enjoy those favorite foods as well as lose that weight and maybe even up to 20 pounds, let me show you exactly how to do that. Stay tuned for the video. As you can see on my channel, I give you so many teas and detoxes and detoxes and all of that. But do you know that these weight loss drinks have very low calories in them and are filled with lots of natural ingredients that will boost your metabolism, increase your digestion, and remove those toxins from your body, which are all very important if you're trying to lose weight. Natural weight loss drinks have a lot of fiber, which is wonderful to eliminate the constipation, and liquid to remove the toxins from your liver, as well as spices to boost your metabolism so that you're able to burn more fat in your body. These drinks also act as a natural appetite suppressant, which will help you to eat less. The trick is, in order for these drinks to work efficiently, you have to consume them before and after your meals and before and after you sleep. Now, before and after you sleep are also very important for you to concentrate on as well when you're trying to burn that fat in your body. So I'm going to give you 18 wonderful teas that you drink that's going to burn these fats, that's going to help you to lose this weight. It's going to boost your metabolism, and you're going to see weight loss. Now, the first drink that you should have in your arsenal is the lemon water drink. Not only are you able to lose weight with this drink, but you are also able to eliminate constipation as well as remove toxins naturally from your body. And this is just by drinking a few glasses per day. Now, the recommendation for drinking lemon water is to drink it early in the morning before breakfast in order for you to get the full benefits of it. Lemon water is a natural appetite suppressant as well as a natural metabolism booster. So drink your lemon water. The next drink that I recommend highly is green tea. Now, green tea is one of the most effective teas that you're going to need to lose this weight because green tea boosts your metabolism, and this is going to cause the fat to burn. And if you want to burn up to 150 calories, drink this drink at least 3 times a day. The next wonderful drink is Grapefruit Drink. Grapefruit Drink is also an appetite suppressant, and it would also help to detoxify your body as well as increase the metabolic rate. Now, in order for grapefruit juices to be effective, you have to drink at least 3 glasses of it daily, and preferably in the morning. Number 4 drink to put in your arsenal is Kefir Drink. Kefir contains protein, which helps your body to grow muscle and helps to maintain your muscles. Muscles are going to help you to burn more calories and fat. Kefir is also known for speeding up your metabolism. So this is one thing you need to add to your diet, and drink it every morning before going to work. Number 5 drink, fat-free milk. So many people prefer to drink full fat-free milk because it tastes better. But if you want to lose weight, you got to change this option. Milk contains calcium, which is very important if you're trying to break down fat and lose weight faster. Milk has also been known to act as a natural appetite suppressant, which is going to help you to consume less food, therefore losing weight. Number 5, black coffee. Black coffee is going to help to boost your metabolism and greatly suppress those stomach pangs. Drinking a cup of coffee in the morning is going to help you increase your alertness, boost your metabolism, and help you to burn fat even at a sitting rate. The number 6 is chamomile tea. Some people are born with slow digestive systems, which is one of the major factors of weight gain. Consuming teas like chamomile tea is going to help you to get rid of the toxins and speed up digestion. Chamomile is also known to boost your metabolism. So this is something that you should have at least 3 times a day, before your meals as well as at nighttime, to even burn the fat while you're sleeping. Another wonderful tea is chocolate milk. One of the best cures for sore muscles is chocolate milk, and that is without the sugar. Chocolate milk contains calcium and a lot of other vitamins and minerals which your body needs to burn fat faster. It's also going to help to suppress those hunger pangs. Number 8, detox water recipes. Now, I've given to you so many detox water recipes on this channel. Some of them are infused fruit water for those who like the taste of fruit, but for some of us who don't like the taste of regular water. But one thing you need to do is know the differences if you want to use them for weight loss. So check out my playlist, check out the other videos that I have for all the wonderful infused waters and detox waters that I have for weight loss. Number 9 is cucumber lemon water. Cucumber and lemon water can also help to boost your metabolism and will help you in digestion. Combine cucumber and lemon in a liter of water and let it steep overnight. Drink this mixture throughout the day for at least 3 days, and also in the process eat a very healthy, clean meal, and you're going to see weight dropping off of you very fast. Keep telling y'all about that cucumber water. Y'all keep sleeping on that, okay? Number 10 will be pineapple mango water. Now, if you're stressed out, this is going to play a major role in you gaining weight. That's why you need to consume foods that's going to help you to de-stress your body. And this is where the pineapple and mangoes come into play. What you can do is take a handful of pineapples, a handful of mangoes, and some mint leaves. Put it in a pitcher and let it sit for a few hours. And you can enjoy a wonderful drink to sip throughout the day as many times as you like, to help you to lose that weight as well as reduce your stress. The number 11th is ginger mint water. This is a wonderful metabolism boosting weight loss drink. This is a wonderful solution for relieving constipation and aids when you're trying to combat indigestion. Just simply combine a couple of slices of lemon or lime when you're trying to combat that indigestion. So it's going to help you with weight loss, and it's also going to help you to relieve indigestion. Number 12 are those fruit smoothies. Fruits contain lots of healthy vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are wonderful for your skin, hair, and your nails. They are high in vitamin C and is a natural immune booster. Losing weight can take a toll on your body, so it's wonderful to incorporate some fruit smoothies that's going to help to reboost your body. And you should consume this at least 3 times a week. Number 13 is honey and water. Honey and water can help you to lose weight. It is one of the easiest teas of all and does not cost you much. So if you consume this tea early in the morning before breakfast, you're going to see the pounds starting to melt away. Number 14 is cardamom seed water. This seed is very effective in relieving constipation, which is one of the major causes of gaining weight. People suffering from indigestion can benefit from cardamom seeds because they contain an active ingredient called thymol. And this is going to help to increase the energy levels in your body. So just soak a tablespoon of cardamom seeds in 2 glasses of water, let it sit overnight, and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Number 15 would be ice water. Did you know that you could burn up to 20 calories just by drinking an ice cold glass of water? Yes, you can. That's because your body uses more energy to regulate the water temperature. Another benefit of drinking ice cold water for weight loss is that cold beverages is good for suppressing hunger and cut off the appetite. So when you're hungry, drink an ice cold glass of water. That's going to help you to suppress that hunger. Number 16 is another wonderful tea, and it's called oolong tea. One of the best ways of boosting your metabolic rate and to boost your energy levels naturally is by drinking oolong tea. This tea acts as a natural appetite suppressant and is known to reduce the amount of stored fat in your body. Number 7 would be protein shakes. Now, a lot of you may think that protein shakes are only good for building up muscle. But did you also know that protein shakes also aids in the weight loss process? By building up muscle, your body uses more energy just by doing regular chores and even just by walking. And when energy is used, fat is being burnt. So use protein in your juices or shakes along with a nice healthy meal. Number 18 is vegetable juices. Vegetable juices are filled with natural vitamins and minerals, antioxidants and fibers, and are usually low in fat, depending on which vegetable you are using. Drinking green vegetable juices or tomato juices can help to lower the amount of food you eat by causing you to lose weight and to also stay healthy. So there you are, you guys. You have 18 wonderful drinks that you can have, that you can consume and put in your arsenal of weight loss juices and drinks that's going to help to lose that weight, boost your body, fill it with wonderful natural vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fibers, and it's going to keep you healthy. So if you eat smaller portions as well as drink these juices in the mornings, throughout the days, and at night, you're going to see your body slimming down because you're also feeding your body properly. And a lot of these drinks help you to suppress your appetite. So you're going to feel full longer. And those meals that you're eating in smaller portions, they're going to help to fill you up as well. But the cleaner you eat, the more weight loss you will see. But if you eat a regular meal and you tweak it down to maybe half the portion, as well as consume these wonderful drinks, you're going to see your body slimming down, as well as you'll be able to maintain it for a much longer time because you're putting this into your everyday lifestyle, okay? So yes, these drinks work, and I will not steer you wrong. Continue drinking these wonderful drinks for weight loss. You're going to see a difference in your body. Your health is going to be strong because you're strengthening it with those wonderful vegetables and antioxidants and all of that, okay? So you guys, if you want to burn the fat, put this in your arsenal and you're going to see your body slimming down. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Don't forget to also check out my other videos. Most of these are in my videos that I have down below in the playlist. These are wonderful for weight loss. They're wonderful for building your body up. They're wonderful for flushing out the toxins. You're going to see the difference in your body. And all you got to do is consume these drinks, put them in your lifestyle, and lose that weight. Alright? So thank you so much for joining me again. Like, comment, subscribe, share these videos. Thumbs up this video if it was very informative for you and you enjoyed it. And I got more coming your way. So until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!